morning. Good morning, dear kids. How are you? How are you, dear kids? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, dear kids. How are you? How are you, dear kids? Say hi. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Yes, I am fine. Yes, dear children, we came to meet you one new friend. Are you enjoyed with your new friend? Yes, today is English subject and we are going to learn long O and U sound words. I will show you some pictures. Yes, you have to identify that picture and read along with me. Yes, dear kids? Now, what is this? Come on, tell me. Road. How you are going to pronounce? Road. O. Road. Sound is O sound. Yes. R-O-A-D. Road. Now, which picture is this? This is, yes, you are right. This is board. B-O-A-T. Board. Okay. Then, which picture is this? This is rose. R-O-S-E. Rose. Now, which picture is this? Toe. T-O-E. Toe. Yes. Now we will write. Now one picture has left, beta. That is, what is this? We used to use this in our bathing. Yes. Which picture is this? Is soap. S-O-A-P. Soap. When we use? We will use during our bath. Yes. Bath time. S-O-A-P. Soap. Yes, dear kids. All these words are related to O sound words. Yes. Now we will write on. Now I will write it on the board. Then we will read also. Yes, dear kids. Here Miss had written some long O sound words, dear kids. Now we will read all these words, dear. Yes. C-R-O-W. Crow. R-O-P-E. Rope. B-R-O-K-E. Broke. Tutna. Yes. Rope means rassi. And crow means kawa. G-O-A-T. Goat. Bakri. J-O-K-E. जोक. मजाक करते हैं ना, जोक. Yes. O-P-E-N. Open. Open. Book open. S-N-O-W. Snow. बर्फ. S-O-A-P. Soap. साबुन. F-L-O-A-T. Float. तैरना. O-V-A-L. Oval. अंडाकार. Yes. So you have to write down all these words in your 4-line notebook as well as you have to read it also, beta. Yes. Now we will do it in your book also. Okay. Yes, dear kids. Now take out page number 6060. Okay. Yes, what you have to do is, beta, trace and write the long vowel O sound words. Yes, dear kids? Yes, one I will do it for you. R-O-S-E. Rose. R-O-A-D. Road. Then C-O-W. Cow. 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 Yes, dear kids, you have to complete this page beta, okay? Now, today I am going to show you some big pictures. So you have to identify that picture and tell me what is that. Yes, at the very first, long U sound words. Today we are going to learn about long U sound words. Yes, dear kids. So let's start about long U sound words. Yes, dear kids. Yes, today Miss is going to show you some pictures. So you have to identify that picture and tell me which picture is that. So let's start. Yes. Which picture is this? Juice. Yes. Are you ready to drink juice? I am ready. Yes. This is juice. Okay. Now, which picture is this? Yes. These are fruits. What? Which picture is this? Fruits. Different types of fruits. Yes, I love to eat fruits. Okay. Now, which color is this? Tell me. Blue color. Which color is this? Blue. Sky is blue in color. Okay. Now, what is this? Tube. Inside the tire. We can see inside the tire. Tube. We can see inside the tire. Tube. Okay. Now, which picture is this? Yes. Glue. We use glue to stick some things. Okay. Paper or picture on your notebook. Yes. We use glue to stick. Yes. What is this? Flute. One type of musical instrument. Flute. Yes. Now, yes, I hope you had enjoyed by seeing all the pictures. Now, I am going to write it on the board. Some word Miss is going to write it on the board. So, we will read all the words, yes, and write it in our notebook also. Okay, dear kids? Yes, dear kids, Miss had written some words. So we will read all these words. Yes. At the very first, what is this? C-U-B-E. Cube. What is the meaning of cube? Ice cream cube. Ice cube. Yes. Here is the picture of cube. Okay. Cute. Yes. C-U-T-E. Cute. Yes. Then R-U-D-E. Rude. R-U-D-E. Rude. What is the meaning of cute? Yes, dear kids, now we will read all these words, dear kids. Yes, C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. C-U-T-E, cube. C-U-T-E, cube. R-U-D-E, rude. R-U-D-E, your all-in-one 4-line notebook beta. Okay, I think you understood all this long new sound words. Please read daily and your writing should be very neat and clear and send it to me. Okay, dear kids, take out page number 6 to 62 beta. What you have to do is trace and write the long vowel U sound words. You have to trace all these words and then you have to write it also according to this spelling beta. Yes. So one I will do for you. C U B E, cube. F U E L, fuel. Now U N I F O R M, uniform. Okay, like this way you have to complete this page beta. Okay, and send it to me. This is your homework. I think you have understood how to write. Yes, and after writing the spellings you have to read also. C-U-B-E, cube. F-U-E-L, fuel. Then U-N-I-F-O-R-M, uniform, like this way. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you.